Hi guys, today I'm in the workshop and I'm trying to organise my badly laid out tool wall. Everything's in a little bit of a mess here, so one of my things I want to do is try and clean it up. So I've gone down to Bunnings and I've purchased some Pegboard, and we're going to install it and try and make this mess here a little bit cleaner than what it was. So let's do it. Here we have a screw that the head's broken off. So a little dirty hack is to put in the drill and pull it out that way. Okay, that looks better already. Now we'll put some hooks and a few tools on. Okay, that's done. It's a lot neater and nicer than what it was, and hopefully I can find all my tools now and start putting them up. What I'm going to get is probably a place to put my screwdrivers, some WD-40, some cans and some shelves, and a paper towel holder, but ultimately that's a good start. If you like this video, please consider giving a thumbs up and a subscribe. It really helps the channel. Thanks guys.